Car Story research indicates this vehicle as a good deal and loaded with features. Features also include premium sound system, leather seats, sun moonroof, hands-free Bluetooth integration. Make a great choice today with the 2014 Genesis. It wasn't named 2009 North American Car of the Year for nothing. Genesis combines luxury, performance, and engineering for one powerful and memorable driving experience and is priced below $15,000. This vehicle has less than 115,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: stability control, traction control, anti-lock braking system, power passenger seat, steering wheel audio controls, keyless entry, Bluetooth, leather-wrapped steering wheel, adjustable steering wheel, power steering. A vehicle like this doesn't come along every day. Come in and get it before someone else does.